commissioner of police Dankwara don resume for Edo as Obaseki tell am say Edo don do wella for security matter and with the commissioner of police Collabo e go come improve. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say make the police continue to dey collabo with the government and other security agencies to see say dem protect the lives and properties of the people for Edo. E tok dis one for the courtesy visit wey the new commissioner of police for Edo State, Muhammad Dankwara, come do on Monday for Government House, Benin City. Obaseki wey tok say the former commissioner of police for Edo State, CP Abutuyaro, do wella for security matter for Edo State and last Christmas dem no record any single crime for Edo. E come still tok say e hope say the new commissioner go build on top the success wey dem don achieve for security matter for the state.
I want to formally welcome our new Commissioner of Police, Dankwara, to my office and also to Edo State. When our former commissioner was promoted, we knew to the position of AGM, we knew he would be redeployed. But we got assurances that the person that will be posted to Edo is very, very seasoned, thorough police officer. So we were quite excited when the postings came out and CP Dankwara was posted to us in Edo. The outgone Commissioner of Police, who is now an AIG, Abutuyaro, did a lot while in his short stint in Edo to stabilize the security situation here. Clearly, most of the people he worked with are still here with you, advice and let you know what was put in place to attain the kind of security coverage that we have attained. I think a challenge has been posed to you. Last Christmas, there was not one incident. I'm sure everybody will be looking up and say, okay, let us see how Commissioner CP Dankwara is going to come out. Security is everybody's business, not just the business of the police alone. However, in civilian government as we have now, it is the police that leads other agencies in terms of internal security. The key to the success we have attained in security in Edo State is one word or two words: collaboration and cooperation. The entire security system is one in Edo is one that works very, very collaboratively with each other. Vigilante networks we have now, you're going to help us train. Thanks for that level of collaboration in your facility. All the agencies have helped us with screening members of our vigilante teams. The training they're going to receive will be instructors from all the armed forces, so they understand, how the other agencies operate. The intent that we bring in will be very helpful to everybody in the system. We want to thank your other colleagues for the cooperation we received to date and assure you that as government, we will continue to support you. We will not say this security agency is a federal one or is not a state-owned one, and therefore we will not continue to give you the support. We know that your men need to be highly mobile, so we will continue to help with mobility. Training is important, so we will continue to work with you in your training facility in Ugida and other programs that will be required. We are almost finalizing training the national numbers for our command and control center, which will make it easy for people to reach the command and control center where all the security agencies have staff. And then we're also extending the camera network to have wider areas of coverage, particularly around the cities and the major highways. Finally, we are extending the street lighting to more streets, more areas, so that we can light up the city at night and extend the economic life of the city. We have a lot of confidence in you. We know where you have worked before and the kind of success you've attained or you attain no doubt you have come to build on the successes that we have attained to date.
On top di 2023 elections, Obaseki constitutional tok say make di police continue to dey neutral and make dem no dey involved on top politics matter for di election wey dey come. E constitu tok say make dem join body wit di government to continue to dey fight land grabbers comot for di state.
We are coming at a time of heightened political and political campaigning and electioneering. We know you have experience in this area, not be dragged into our politics. Things will be said that are not true. You know how we politicians behave. But politics or no politics, we must maintain law and order. As a government, we will not accept, anybody bringing down the states or bringing down, say, the government in the name of politics. We will diligently prosecute all those found, and we will not accept working with you any acts of or disorderly conduct, because it will just go to undermining the peace of the state. We are in a war against land grabbing. We started that war before you came, and we hope that you will continue to help us champion the war against land grabbers. I have vowed to Edo people that anybody who's taken or grabbed anybody's land illegally will face the full wrath of the law.
CP Mohammed Dankwara wey be di new Edo State Commissioner for Police wey tok say Edo dey part of di most peaceful state for Naija. Kosi tok say im and im team don tanda to do their best to see say Edo continue to dey peaceful, especially for di Christmas and New Year wey dey come.
I'm here to present myself to you so that you should know me and my management team. We are here to work. Like I always said, I left my place like 1,500 kilometers to be in Edo. So what brought me here, I must do it well. And well, I will do it to the logical conclusion. I am here with my team. I promise you, we are going to work tirelessly to make sure that Edo, even yesterday, the IG had to call me and said, yes, you people in Edo are doing well. I said, sir, it's not us. The governor too he has put so many things in place that warranted us be able to achieve this feat that we have achieved. Because if you look at our data in Abuja too, the crime rate and what have you within the country, Edo State falls within the lowest states. So I believe the Excellency, it should not go to the police alone because it is with your support. Without your support, we cannot achieve anything, sir. And we will continue to seek for that your assistance and furtherly advice in delivering our mandate. We promise you that we are going to do well. We will achieve, we will put more into work and achieve. As the Christmas is approaching now, we are planning and replanning to see that the Christmas and the New Year is celebrated in Benin City peacefully without any problem. That I assure you, Your Excellency.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your votes give any politician or political party on election day.